Hey everyone, Jake from MowBot here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your blades on your robotic lawnmower. So first things first is we want to get our mower in a state where we can safely change the blades. So to do that, just push the stop button, put your pin in to stop the alarm going off, and then you can begin to flip the mower over onto its back, like so. So now what we want to do is we want to line our skid plate up with our blade screws, like so. And then we can begin taking out the old screws and old blades, like so. So once we've taken all the blades out, we can then begin to put our new blades in. So we just line up the holes again and use your screwdriver that you get from your cleaning kit. And that's how you change your blades on your Husqvarna Automower. And if you run out of blades, you can go over to mowbot.co.nz.